A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, a federal judge has found probable cause to hold the Trump administration in criminal contempt for violating an order that halted the deportation of alleged Venezuelan gang members. U.S. District Judge James Boasberg made this ruling on Wednesday, citing a willful disregard for his prior order issued on March 15th, which prohibited the deportation of these individuals under the Alien Enemies Act. This wartime law, rarely invoked in American history, was used by President Trump to facilitate the deportation of Venezuelans alleged to be involved in gang activities. The judge's order came at a time when two planes carrying Venezuelan migrants were en route to El Salvador, highlighting the urgency and seriousness of the situation. Judge Boasberg's opinion outlined that the government had ample opportunity to rectify or explain their actions, but had failed to provide satisfactory responses. The court does not reach such conclusion lightly or hastily, he stated, emphasizing the gravity of the administration's actions. The judge warned that if the government does not remedy its contempt, he would proceed to identify individuals in contempt and refer the matter for prosecution. The ruling follows a hearing on April 3rd, where Judge Boasberg pressed government officials regarding their compliance with his orders. The legal battle centers around the use of the Alien Enemies Act, a law that has only been invoked a handful of times, all during periods of declared war. Trump's administration had previously expressed dissatisfaction with Judge Boasberg's rulings, even calling for his impeachment, an unprecedented move that drew a public rebuke from Chief Justice John Roberts. Despite the administration's claims that they did not violate the judge's orders, they simultaneously sought to have the Supreme Court overturn those orders. The Supreme Court did issue a divided ruling on April 7th, but Judge Boasberg maintained that this ruling did not nullify the contempt proceedings against the Trump administration. As this legal saga unfolds, the implications of the judge's ruling could have far-reaching effects on immigration policy and the balance of power between the judicial and executive branches. The case has drawn significant attention, not only for its legal ramifications but also for its political implications in an already polarized environment. The Trump administration has yet to respond to the latest developments, leaving many questions unanswered about the future of the deportation policy in question. This is a developing story, and updates will be provided as more information becomes available. The legal community is closely monitoring the situation, as it may set important precedents regarding the enforcement of judicial orders and the limits of executive power in matters of immigration. As the nation watches, the tension between the judiciary and the executive continues to play out on a national stage, raising critical questions about the rule of law and accountability in government. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.